Fractions! Why on earth is math in music? Well, believe it or not, even though I failed the test in school, fractions are here to make music simpler. But before you can understand fractions, you must first understand chord extensions. So, what are chord extensions? No, not extension, chord. What in the world? Play the major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, a major chord. 1, 3, 5. Right. Now, play a major 7th chord. That is a chord extension. The 1, the 3, the 5, and the 7. Wow. And you write it like this. Got it? Now, add the 9. 9? What 9? There's no 9 in the scale. What are you talking about? Yes, there is. Look harder. The numbers in the scale actually extend past the 7. Hence the name chord extension. Wow. Watch closely. This one is now 8. 1 and 8 are the same notes. 2 and 9 are the same. 3 and 10, 4 and 11. You got it. But it stops at 13. But Anthony, what's the point of all this? I don't care what numbers they are. I just want to play music. I know. But don't you want to sound good? Well, that's exactly what chord extensions are for. They enhance the sound of the chord. Listen. 1. 4. Again. 1 and 4. Hear the difference? Yeah. I feel you, Anthony. I feel you. Now let's get back to the main topic. Let's use E flat. This is how you write E flat major. This is how you write E flat major 7. This is how you write E flat major 7 add 9. And this is how you write E flat major 7 add 9 at 13. Do you see just how complicated music can get? Looks like Einstein's handwriting. Now let's simplify this. Poof! Fraction! I really do wish fractions were this easy in school. Take a long, lengthy, drawn-out giraffe chord and zoop, itty-bitty fraction. That's because these long extension chords, extended chords, actually have 2 or more little baby chords in them. Look at E flat major 7, add 9. Now tell me, what do you see? Do you see the 1 chord? What about the 5 chord? See? 5 over 1. Remember, 5 is literally up top, so you play it using your right hand, because going to the right of the keyboard means going up the keyboard, and going to the left of the keyboard means going... See, you got it. So 5 over 1 is 5 over 1. And you can simplify this even more by playing just the root note with your left hand. Make sense? All right. I want to point out something else. In the scale, each note has numbers assigned to them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. However, these numbers can be referred to as individual notes or as chords. So if I play the 1 chord, then obviously it's a chord, not the note. But if I say play the 1 note or first degree, then I'm just talking about that individual note, not the chord. Do you understand? So, just to clarify, let's do a quick run through of all the stuff you learned thus far. This is the major scale. In the key of C. Not E flat, not F, not G, but in the key of right. Now, you should know that each of these numbers has its own chord. I keep saying the same thing over and over. The 1 chord is major. The 2 chord is minor. The 3 chord is... I can't hear you. A fraction. 4 is major. 5 is major. 6 is major. 7 is another fraction. Then back to 1 again. Chew it, savor it, swallow it, digest it, burp it. All right. Since the 1 chord is major, it's made up of the 1st degree, 3rd degree, and 5th degree. See that? We're in the key of C, right? Don't forget. So in the key of C, the 4 is F, and the chord is major. 4 is major. Do you know the major scale for F? Well, if you don't, here it is. Now, since 4 is a major chord, it too is made up of the 1st degree, 3rd degree, and 5th degree. Same with the 5 chord. In the key of C, 5 is G. The G major scale is this. So take the 1st degree, 3rd degree, 5th degree, and you have the 5 chord. Get it? The 1 chord, 4 chord, and 5 chord are all majors. The 2 and 6 chords are minors. Yep, they're too young to drink or drive. So what do you do to make minor chords? You flatten the 3rd degree. Take 2, which is D, right? Make a major chord. The 1st, 3rd, and 5th degree, but flatten the 3rd. Remember, sharp is up, flat is down. So bring the 3rd degree down 1. Bam! The 2 chord. Same with 6. Make a major chord. 1st, 3rd, 5th, flatten the 3rd, and bam! The 6th chord. The 2 and 6 chords are minor. Fraction time! We just did the 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 chords. Now the 3 and 7 chords are left, and they are fractions. 3 is, or equal to, the 1 chord over 3, just as I said in the last video. The 7 chord is 5 over 7. 5, right hand, 7, left. 1, right hand, 3, left. Congratulations! You have made it through the entire video. Goodbye.